Hello there! In this video I want to show you how to set image as watch face on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that we just need to open this watch application, here switch to the face gallery, and now we can see this section photos. So also you can see here this shuffle option. You can choose one album, for example pets, then tap the continue button, and now you can see your favorite photos as watch face. You can cycle through photos you choose or synced album, and you can also cycle through photos of specific people. Here you can select your photos manually if you just enable this option, and now you can choose time size. Here are many options. You can switch to another font, for example this one. Select new numerals. Here switch to another style, just swipe left to see all of it. And here we can select another time color, for example this one. And also change its intensity. And we can add some complications. For the top we can select activity, for example, and for the bottom we can select battery. And when you're ready, just tap this add button and it will be added as your watch face. Here in my faces you would be able to see it. And on your watch as well. Now it is your current watch face. To change the photos you just need to tap your watch face like that. And here is your album with pets. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.